Hey guys, welcome back to 5150. Today we'll be installing these new LED headlights. These are from a company called 4x4 FLSTC. We did their tail lights on Ryan's JL a little while ago. These are LED headlights. We're gonna go ahead and unbox these real quick. They come with directions here. Here's the name of the company. Looks like it should be fairly easy. And here we got the headlights. There they are. This here is a H4 connector. Should be fairly easy to install. This has a white and a yellow connector. The yellow one, that is for the built-in turn signal. You can see it there on the bottom, so it's got an amber turn signal, so remember the yellow for the amber. And the white one is a daylight running light. So, and the other is just your normal ground, high beam and low beam. Again, these are aluminum. That's a nice big LED heat sink. So there's two of these. It actually comes with an extra connector. That's if you don't have a H4 type connector, you can adapt that to something else. These are 170 watts per pair. The lumens are 640 lumens a pair on low beams, and they are 9,360 lumens on high beam. Guys, we had to make these pigtails. These two ends here are going to go into the white one will be running lights, the yellow one's going to go into the turn signal. So we just made these pigtails, and these two in here will actually hook to the physical part of the light. They'll go on the LEDs. This will go on the yellow wire, and this white one will go on the white wire. This is what it looked like when it's completely done. It's just about maybe 6-8 inches. We have these little blue T-taps, which will tie into the turn signals and running lights. All right, Patrick's gonna pull off the bezel. Just two, right? And it's got 4 screws that hold the trim ring for the light on. And on this particular one, it looks like it's Phillips. Sometimes they're a torque. We have replaced these headlights in the past. Okay. And there's the H4 connector. Go ahead and pull that out. So these are the old lights. Okay, so we're going to put this in, and we're going to use the DOT. Always goes towards the top. All right, so what else we got to do, guys? So we have this connector here. That's the H4 connector, and we have these two other ones. So we had to make these pigtails right here. All right, and we already here, we put these T-taps on already. And so those will go in to here. Like I said, guys, we put those T-taps on there already. Not supplied. Huh? Not supplied. Yeah, these are not supplied. These are for the turn signals that are built into the lights and the driving lights, which I call a daylight running light. I don't have daylight running lights on here, so we'll see how this works out. All right, guys, we're going to use these. These are a T-tap. Basically, it goes around the wire, pinches it, and then we will put a spade in here. So this is going to go on the running lights. Is what we're going to use. Or turn signal. This is going to be the driver turn signal, so you can see how I put that around the wire. We're going to take this and then we just crimp it like that. So there we have it. Now I don't have daylight running lights. This here is my standard running lights. I don't think I'm going to hook those up, but we're just going to do the turn signals, not the daylight running, since this Jeep doesn't support it. So we're just going to go ahead and tap right into the turn signal. Let's put some dielectric grease on it. And we're just going to put a little bit of grease on it. Patrick's putting the new LED in. Got the trim ring. Got those. Trim back on, so it's got the little tabs on the bottom. There we go. Yeah, they look a lot nicer than what I had, huh? All right, let me back up. Okay, so let's turn them on. Okay, there's the, you'll see the left blinker built in there like that. That's pretty cool. Okay, that one doesn't have one, obviously. Okay, let's turn the headlights on. And here they are. High beams, high beams. Okay.
Wow, those are bright.
All right, guys, that's low beam there. It's got a nice cutoff. Looks good. And here's high beam. Right there. Low beam. High beam. Let's go ahead and drive it a little bit. We're on a dirt road. They're nice and white. I like the color of them. About these lights is I got the turn signal built into the bottom of the light, so if I ever decide I want to do a blinker delete on my Cherokee to give me a little more tire clearance, I can still be legal because these have the blinkers inside the bulbs. Pretty cool. Alright guys, that's the headlights there. That's low beam. Go ahead and put on high beam. And that's high beam. Okay, take high beam off. Left turn signal. There's the, it's hard to see with the light blinking in there in the camera. Okay, left turn. Okay, that's the right turn signal. Okay, left turn signal. So what I like about that, guys, is I could do a delete of my blinkers and get a higher clearance for my tires. Okay, headlights on. All right, there's the left. Okay, the right. Kind of hard to see with the lights on. All right, we'll take some. All right, headlight install is complete. I think they look a lot sharper than what I had in them before. Really good looking light. All right, guys, tell me what you think in the comments. And please remember to comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.